This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries in Avatar World, only way. Begin by gathering strawberries, chocolate, skewers, and a clean parchment surface in your Avatar kitchen. Turn on only way mode and set the stove to low heat to gently melt chocolate without burning. Make sure each berry is fully dry before dipping, and use a gentle spin technique to create an even, shiny coating. Warm and friendly, here's how to melt chocolate perfectly in your Avatar kitchen. Chop chocolate into small, even pieces so it melts uniformly and doesn't seize. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water and stir slowly, keeping the temperature low and steady. If the mixture looks thick, add a small teaspoon of neutral oil to enhance gloss and flow. Maintain the gentle heat and stir until smooth and silky for easy dipping. Let's dip like a pro in Avatar World with warm guidance and a calm pace. Grip each strawberry by its green top and dip the pointed end first into the melted chocolate, then rotate as you lift to spread the coating evenly. Allow excess to drip back into the bowl before placing the berry on parchment. Chill the tray briefly until the shell firms, and avoid stacking to keep coatings flawless and glossy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.